nice thing about having the direct to metal primer sealer that the De Beer has, which is this stuff. Where's the number? There's the number. I just finished sealing the job in the booth, and then we had a spot out in the shop that needed some primer. And you can mix it up however thin and thick you want. So I kind of just mixed up primer and poured it in with the sealer, which kind of gave me a 50-50 mix, which is good. Because I just use a 1.5 tip primer gun. It's not as high build as I need it. So I really didn't waste a lot of product, which is nice about that. So there's a huge benefit right there for having a primer slash sealer combo in the shop. It's just little things like that. The efficiency is way better. Feels good to waste literally zero clear after a job.